Digital Twin Training Workshop.
Digital twin technology.
Digital twins, new technology that has doubled in importance. Digital twins have become doubly important to organizations. Key principles of digital twins and how it relates to integration of digital engineering, modeling and simulations, AI/ML, 3D and integration for service and product-related data and systems.
Digital twin technology. In the past, digital twins were used to improve the performance of single assets, such as wind turbines or jet engines. These days, they connect not just one asset, but systems of assets and devices, or even entire organizations. As they combine more and more assets with information about processes and people, their ability to help solve complex problems is also increasing.
Digital twin technology goes a long way in helping organizations get new answers to new questions, as well as test new ideas and uncover problems before they happen.
Practical applications. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical systems, devices, services, assets, or processes used to run real-time simulations. Organizations from healthcare and facilities management to product design have turned to digital twin technology. Digital twins have been particularly useful in the manufacturing sector, where comparing products and their manufacturing conditions can help identify why some batches have more variability, defects, or inefficiencies.
Tonex offers a 2-day course on digital twins technology. Course recommended for product engineer and designer, systems engineer, healthcare technician, mechanical troubleshooting professional, engineering project management chief.
Also useful for anyone who want to learn this new technology to shine their career.
Digital Twins course got trending topics like Digital Twin 101, types of digital twins, digital twin market and industries and practical applications.
Do you want more information? Okay, please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.